YouTube paid me $19.43 compared to Facebook, which pays me $0.02 in the last 7 days. So the two of them are different, and I'm getting a lot of views from Facebook. Hello guys, welcome to this video. Let me just show you how much Facebook pays and versus how much YouTube pays. Let's compare and analyze how much they both pay. Okay, this is what I've earned from YouTube in the last 365 days. Yeah, my channel is not that big, but this is what I've earned in the last 365 days. So, but in Facebook, okay, in the last 28 days, this is what I've earned from Facebook. This is what I've earned from Facebook in the last 28 days. So this month I didn't do very well, but this is what I've earned in the last 28 days. And I know I'm going to bounce back. But what I want to talk about in this video is to compare and construct YouTube and Facebook, which of them pays more. So there's something I want to say. In making content, in analyzing content, there's something you need to always pick out. Know people watching your video, know the countries watching your video. I get more of Nigerians, Ghana, and the United States of America, but I have to be very sincere to you. What I get from the American citizens, my American viewers, is more double, is more like 5 times of what they pay me, 5 times of what Nigerians pay me from their view. Okay, look at, okay, I got monetized from on Facebook recently, and since I've made some couples of money some few times, but if you check around here, you will notice that from July 12, 2024 to July 18, 2024, this I've made just $0.028. I guess maybe there's something they call the CPM or the RPM. I'm sure maybe that's what affected these views. That's what gave me these views like this. But I'll also tell you on how you can make sure you get you to increase your revenue, because you might be doing content and getting millions of views, but I bet you somebody who is making just 500, somebody who's just getting 1,000 views from his videos might be doing well from you making hundreds of thousands of views. So we'll talk about that in this video. Okay, let me go to this YouTube analytic and show you. Okay, there's what they call CPM and RPM. On this video I made, okay, this video I made, YouTube will pay me $5.32 for every 1,000 views. For every 1K views, this is what they are going to pay me. So this is the agreement, and this will I say, okay, in the video I think I've made just like, let me just say, $9.32 on this video. But okay, this you can see it here. This is what they call CPM, or you call it RPM. That is the playback cost for every 1,000 views. This is what they will pay me. This is what they are going to pay me. So I'm going to tell you how you can, how you can increase your RPM or your CPM, how you can increase it so that you can get more of real, will I say, real viewers who will increase your revenue for you. So let me talk about this. Okay, let me go and let me analyze something for you. RPM means is it real something per cost per thousand, something I don't know how to get it, but I've forgotten it. I think I don't know, but I'm going to, let's just say, in every 1,000 views, this is what they are going to pay me, which is 5 points. Okay, this is the CPM, which is 5.32. Then for every, I think there's a mix up somewhere, and okay, this is the estimated revenue I made from the video. I think I just made, I think like 2,000 views on this video, and I think this, okay, I make more than that, but I don't know. But this is what they explain. But if you check, let's go to Facebook. Facebook, I've made some couples of money, but it's not here. It's on my phone. It's on my payouts dashboard. I'm not in control of my payout dashboard. My what do they call them? Is it agency, Facebook agency? They are the ones seeing everything, but I've made some money there, some reasonable amount of money. But if you can check the last let's say 7 days, right? This I just made $0.02. $0.02, and um which is not encouraging as a content creator. Is this how we're going to buy our land, our houses? So what I'm just trying to say is that, number one, I don't know if you can see my face, but if you can see my face, let me just tell you this thing. Let me just explain this thing to you. Let me just explain this thing to you. If you want to get enough of views, and you want to also get real money, let me just advise you, target top tier countries, or target the big countries. You can get 1,000 views from the United States, and somebody else can get 1 million views from a country. I don't want to mention any country name, that so that no country looks low in the eyes of people. But you might get another views from another country somewhere, which let me just say, the economy is not strong. But I bet that person making 1,000 views, getting 1,000 views from United States of America, is going to make a lot of money. You see this $1,546, which I made total in 365 days. There's somebody who is just making, I'm sure this old money gave me, I think, let me just say, millions of views or something like that. There's somebody in a country, there's somebody getting US viewers, the UK viewers, and he made this amount of money just in, let me just say, in one video. Hope you're getting my point. So somebody might make this money in one video because these major viewers are coming from a country which their economy is very strong. But there's somebody again who is in a country where the economy is not strong and is gathering millions of views. And those millions of views are amounting to nothing. They are just amounting to nothing. You're just trying to, yeah, I know the views helps. So the advantage of getting a lot of views when you're in a country where the economy is not strong is that as you're getting these views, as you're getting your money keep piling up. But if you are a small content creator, you won't feel the impact. You will just be making money, and maybe you just feel like, I'm just struggling for nothing. So, okay, what I'm just trying to say is that as a content creator, when you're making content, make content that you will get more of citizens from the United States of America, the UK, the Germany, Switzerland, Switzerland. You see all these countries that their economy are very strong and robust. Try and be making content that you get viewers from there. And let me say something, maybe if you're a Nigerian viewer right now, if you keep making content that relate to pidgin, majority of your audience will only come from a pidgin countries. That's just it. That's how Facebook work, and that's how YouTube work. Majority of your content, of your audience, will come from countries that are having that always speak pidgin. And you know, countries, especially in West Africa, our economy is not strong. Our economy is always shaking, and these things affect economy. So it affects everything, because advertisers who stays in Nigeria pay lesser to advertise their goods compared to somebody who stays in America and pays $1 or maybe $2, $5 just for his content to be advertised on your content, on your platform. If you compare the two sides, you will notice that the people who stays in America, they pay better fee, and to them it looks small, but if you change it back to your local currency, it will amount to a very big amount of money. So all I'm just trying to tell you in this video, if you want to make reasonable amount of money from content creation, please, I know you can't make content everybody wants, but try and target people from those top countries which their economy are very strong and are very robust. if you really want to make money from Facebook and YouTube, because that's just the secret. That's just the secret. Majority of people will not tell you this, but that's just the secret. So I'm just trying to explain, show you the difference, how much Facebook pay me and how much YouTube pay me. So this what I'm just trying to explain. So I've been on YouTube for, I think, since 2020. Since 2020, I've been on YouTube. But on Facebook, I just got monetized this year, and I started noticing that the two of them are different platforms. Yeah. The CPM or the RPM also work on Facebook if you can target top tier countries which the economy are robust. And the thing also happens when the low income happens when maybe you get viewers from countries which the economy are not strong, because advertisers in those countries will pay lesser amount for you to get those kind of views. So I think I need to end this video here, but in summary, I'm just trying to share the difference between how much Facebook pays me um, and how much. Okay, let me check for 28 days in the last 7. Okay, this for 28 days. Let me check for um let me check for 7 days. The last 7 days, how much YouTube pay me, and let's compare. Okay, see. So YouTube paid me $19.43. That is in the last 7 days, and compared to YouTube paid me $19.43 compared to Facebook, which pays me $0.02 in the last 7 days. So the two of them are different, and I'm getting a lot of views from Facebook. That's just the whole thing. I'm getting a lot of views from Facebook compared to YouTube. I'm getting lesser views from YouTube, but see the difference. So this is just the difference between how much Facebook pays and how much YouTube pays. If you allow me to judge, I will say YouTube pays better than Facebook, but everything depends on your views. If you can get a lot of views more than me, you make a lot of money more than me. And one thing I would just say is that please work hard on this platform. But there's something I noticed. Facebook has a very large audience than YouTube, because everybody who comes to Facebook comes to maybe wants to gossip, and your video might just pop up. A politician might just come on Facebook, and your video pops up. A banker can come on Facebook to read news, and your video pops up. A plumber can come. Everybody comes on Facebook, but majority of people who goes to YouTube are going there to look for a solution to a certain problem, and maybe just see your content. So people come to YouTube. Majority of people come to YouTube are people who come to search for something, either to search for something at that specific moment, and once they are done, they leave Facebook immediately. They leave YouTube immediately. So in the process of them maybe trying to solve a problem or search for a solution, they come across a video. That's when they start watching your video. But in Facebook, people sleep on Facebook. People sleep on Facebook. But I'm not saying there are people making it big on Facebook, on YouTube. There are people making it big on Facebook. But I'm not telling the difference of the two platforms. So if you want to make it big on social media, focus on the two platforms. They are going to pay you. I've come to the end of this video. If you have anything you want to say, or any question you want to ask me, please drop your comments in the comment section, and we'll talk about it. I'll throw some light to you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.